Hey everybody, welcome back. This is quiz 6.4, Colors of the Rainbow, and getting a little fancy with this one. Or not, we're just using a method, but Splice can be a little bit confusing for some people, and no worries, we'll walk through it nice and easy. So what they want us to do is to take this variable rainbow, which is an array. We got to get rid of blackberry and insert yellow and green in its place, and then we have to add purple to the end of the array, but they only want us to use slice. Which is kind of cool because there's plenty of ways to do this, and one of them is splice, not to be confused with slice. So let's get started. The first thing that we would probably want to do is call slice on the rainbow. So we'll say rainbow.splice. The first parameter of splice is going to be where we want to start cutting, the index of it. So let's run an experiment real quick. Because a lot of times when you have a question like this, you might think like, all right, I need to get it on the first try, but that's never the case. Rainbow.splice, let's say that we wanted to start cutting at index 2, and we wanted to cut one element. And what we're going to do is we're going to console.log rainbow after that, just to see if this does what we think it should do. So if we console.log rainbow, and we have spliced from position 2, and we have removed one element, hopefully we've gotten rid of blackberry, and the rest of the array will just be red, orange, blue. So let's do a test run and see if that works. Red, orange, blue. So we're looking good. The next thing we would want to do is to follow up with splice. The third parameter on, or argument that is, is going to be what we insert at the place where we had deleted the previous items. So we started index 2, we delete one item, and now we're going to insert two items, yellow and green. Put a semicolon. Let's do a test run again. Looking good. The last thing we would want to do is, does this say that we need a console.log anything at the end? No, we just need to use splice. So at this point we're going to use splice to add purple. Again, probably a couple ways that we could do this, but the way that I'm going to choose to experiment with it is we're going to try to move from the back of the array. So we'll say -1 should be the index. We want to remove 0 elements, and we want to add purple. So theoretically, if we've done this correctly, we should see red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and then purple. So let's do a test run. Okay, so not quite exactly what we would be looking for, right? We did -1 here, and that's not going to do the trick, because that seems to be inserting here, as opposed to after blue. So if that's the case, let's go ahead and say rainbow.length. Maybe that'll get the job done. So we'll run a test run. That seems to be doing the trick for now. Well, couldn't hurt to submit it. Submitting it's going to let us know if we've done this correctly or if maybe there's a different way that Udacity is looking for. Hey, thanks for completing that. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.